Hello and welcome to your English speaking time. My name is Emma, and today we will learn and speak English together. Just you and me, step by step. Don't worry if you are shy. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. You are here now. That is great. Let me ask you, what did you eat today? Did you smile this morning? I ate some toast and drank tea at 7 o'clock. I smiled when I saw the sun. What about you? Small things matter. Small steps help us grow. And small practice brings big progress. When I was a child, I did not speak English. I spoke only my own language. But I had a dream. I wanted to travel. I wanted to talk to people from other countries. One day I said to myself, I will learn English. That day changed my life. I started with one word, then one sentence. It was not easy, but I did not stop. Do you want to speak English too? Of course you do. Can you do it? Yes, you can. You are here. You are ready. Let's start. Let me tell you something important. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try, even when it is hard, even when you are tired. Your voice matters. Your dream matters. Now let's talk about shadowing. What is shadowing? It is simple. Shadowing means listening and speaking. You listen to me. Then you repeat, you copy what I say, like a mirror, like an echo. Do you know what an echo is? It is a sound that comes back. When you shout near the mountains, your voice comes back to you. That is an echo. Shadowing is like that. You hear me, you speak after me. Easy, right? Some learners ask, when should I do shadowing? You can do it any time. In the morning, in the evening, even for 5 minutes. Some ask, where should I do it? Anywhere. In your room, in the park, in your kitchen. Just find a quiet place. And here's a good question. How many times should I repeat? Good question. You can repeat 2 times. You can repeat 5 times. More practice means more progress. But don't worry if you are slow. Slow is okay. Slow is strong. Should you feel afraid? No. You should feel proud. You are learning. You are speaking. You are doing something amazing. So what do we do now? Let's begin our shadowing practice. Are you ready? Let's warm up our English muscles. Let's do this together. I will speak. You will repeat. Let's make this fun. Let's make this easy. Let's make this yours. Take a deep breath. Smile, sit up. You are ready. Let's go. Let's begin with some simple sentences. I will speak, then you speak. Shadow me, say it with your voice, try to copy my sound. I can learn English. I speak English every day. I am not afraid. I try my best. I listen and repeat. Good job, let's keep going. I speak slowly and clearly. There is power in my voice. My words are strong. I use English with joy. I say each word with care. Now let's try questions. Where do you live? What do you like? When do you feel happy? Do you speak English every day? How many words do you know? Repeat them. Say them again, out loud. Let's do some past tense now. I watched a video yesterday. I listened to a podcast last night. I studied 10 words last week. I spoke with a friend in English. I felt proud after I practiced. Great. Now let's mix it a little. There is a new word today. Let's learn it together. Do you know the word friend? Yes. Then say it with me. Friend, friend, a friend helps you. You can try this. Let's talk with a friend. Let's read with a friend. Let's learn together. Can you do this? Yes, you can. Did you try? That is wonderful. Should we stop? No, not yet. Let's keep going. I open my book. I hear new words. I say them out loud. I feel more brave. I feel more strong. When do you study? What helps you learn? Do you listen to music? Do you read out loud? Can you ask questions? Let me show you. I ask, what is this? I ask, how do you say this? I ask, can you help me? I speak, you speak. We both speak English. We are a team. You are not alone. Even if it is slow, it is good. Even if it is small, it helps. Repeat after me. Every word is a step. Every sound is a tool. Every try is a win. You are doing amazing. Let's finish this part strong. I can speak English. I did my best. I will keep going. Now take a breath. Drink some water. Stretch your hands. Smile. Oh, you did great. Let's go one step higher now. Your English voice is important. Your words have power. Your sound has meaning. You are not just learning English. You are using English. Let's begin with some strong sentences. I believe in myself. I believe in my English journey. I speak with courage. I do not fear mistakes. I grow every day. When you speak, your voice moves the world. Did you know that? A small voice can make a big change. Your English is your tool. It helps you share your ideas, your dreams, your stories. Let's try this. I speak because I can. I learn because I want to. I listen because I care. I repeat because I improve. Now try some questions. Where will English take me? What will I learn next? Who will I meet with English? How many people can I talk to? When should I speak? Now you are brave. You are ready. Let's keep moving. There is no perfect. There is only practice. There is no finish. There is only growth. Every day brings a new word. Every sentence brings new power. I said hello yesterday. I will say more today. I asked a question last week. I will ask again tomorrow. Let's make goals. I will speak 5 minutes today. I will learn 2 new words. I will talk to 1 person. Can you do that? Yes, you can. Should you try? Yes, you should. Will it help? Yes, it will. Let's build your habit. Open your book. Play this video. Speak with me again. Do you remember what you said today? You said, I can speak English. You said, I did my best. You said, I will keep going. And I believe you. You did something big today. You showed up, you spoke, you tried, you gave your time. That's the real win, so clap for yourself. You did it. Again, say it with me. I am proud of myself. I am strong. I am learning. I will return tomorrow. Thank you for speaking with me. Keep going. Keep smiling. See you next time.